You still have Fashion Week?
Yeah, I have
Right.
one last. Are you gonna come?
Yeah, I might come with him.
Yeah guys, he might come with me. It's in SM Aura. So, catch nyo to. Andun lang siya. Probably. Dami din na guys sa'yo kanina, di ba? When I was in Fashion Week. Top Rank Legaspi, hello. Ay, di ba may Legaspi ka sa
Yeah, very soon. See you guys. Top Rank Legaspi.
Tsaka sa mga kinapaw. Uy, galing ka dun. Story time, how do you meet? How do you two meet?
Story time, how do we meet? Should I start?
Ikaw nga pala yung may kwento siya guys. Actually, may kwento din ako.
Yeah, sure. I start na. So,
Sige, kwento mo yung sa'yo.
sige. So, it started na... Kilala ko na siya way before pa kasi dumadaan na siya sa FYP ko sa TikTok. So, nagla-live kasi siya palagi.
Nag-live kasi ako palagi. So, mga nanonood dyan sa akin pag nagla-live ako.
Yeah, so dumaan siya sa akin. Lagi siya dumadaan sa FYP. So, minsan tumatambay ako sa live niya, ganyan. And then, one day off ko, I went to BGC to study sana. So, I don't usually go to BGC, but that day, I saw him sa cafe. But I was too shy to approach. So, hindi ko muna siya nilapitan that time. And then, nagulat na lang ako after a few days. He followed me on Instagram.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Guys, alam niyo ba? Like, atag na dito. Di ba yun yung story niya? Pero, sa akin naman, like nakikita ko na din siya sa TikTok. Pero hindi ko siya nakita nun nung nasa BGC. Hindi ko siya nakita nun. So, I didn't know na nakilala. I didn't know na si Sir Rocky kilala ako or something like that. So, parang that time, nakikita ko na siya. Of course, Sir Rocky, yung mga videos niya nagva-viral, ganyan. So, napapanood ko na siya sa TikTok ko. And then, every time mapapanoorin ko siya, sinasabi ko, oh my God, parang cute nga siya, no? Parang pogi. Parang pogi nga, ganyan. Tapos, lalong-lalo pa siyang pumopogi, guys. Kasi parang, he's so smart. You guys, I mean, you know it already.
am I smart?
You're so smart. I mean, when you share your lectures, ganyan. Tapos, lagi ko napapanood yung mga videos niya. Tapos, natatawa ako dun sa Heimlich maneuver, ganyan yung mga videos. Tapos, dito, one night, I was just scrolling randomly. And then, I watched na naka-live siya. So, nanood ako ng live niya. Pero hindi ako yung nag-click. Like, I was just outside. And then, I think you're lecturing that time or may sinishare ka online.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, you're also reviewing for your med school. You're also
Yeah.
reviewing for med school. Tapos, guys, sobrang gwapo niya mag-review. Sabi ko, shit, pogi naman nito. So, ayan na. Sabi ko, follow ko ba siya? Tapos, guys, alam niyo ba, akala ko straight siya. Akala ko straight siya nung
Akala ko
una.
rin straight siya.
Akala ko straight siya nung una. Sabi ko, Lord, parang pogi nito. Straight ba or what? And then ang ginawa ko, nag-like ako sa TikTok niya pero hindi ata napansin. Di pa ako tumigil doon, guys. Ang ginawa ko, ako kasi nag-first move eh. Ginawa ko, nag-follow ako sa Instagram. Tapos nagulat ako.
After a few minutes, ako 5 minutes.
Wala pang 5 minutes yun.
Oh.
Finalo back mo ako. Pero hindi pa doon nag-start, guys.
Nagpanic lang ako kung mga ilang minutes. Sabi ko, he followed me, parang ganun. Tapos, yun na, finalo ba ko na.
Finalo back niya ako, wala pa tong 5 minutes yun. Tapos, pero hindi pa kami nag-start to. After mga ilang days pa, nag-start ako mag-like ng story mo. Mga stories sa Instagram. Tapos, after ko mag-like ng stories sa Instagram, nagla-like na din siya ng stories ko. Tapos, walaan niyo guys kung sinong unang nag-message. Siyempre ako. Meron kasi siyang story nun na parang lalagnatin siya or something. Tapos, nag-reply lang ako ng Get Well Rocky. Tapos, ano na yung sabi mo na sana reply mo?
Mapag-reply sana ako, like sabihin ko sana, thanks bro.
Dapat i-bro niya ako. Pag brino mo siguro kung ewan ko kung ano tayo.
Kung brino ko siya nun, wala. Hindi
Wala.
ko
Feeling ko, ewan ko.
Tropa siguro.
Tropa siguro nga kami. So, sabi niya, thank you.
Like, thank you lang ako.
Tapos, hindi ko na
Smiley
nireply.
face.
Smiley face. Nilike ko lang yan, hindi ko nireply yan.
Oo.
Tapos after ilang days, nag-reply din siya sa story ko.
Yeah, kasi may shoot siya.
May shoot ako ng something nun. Tapos,
Ganun ulit yung reply ko. Like sabihin ko sana,
angas bro! Pero hindi, sabi niya lang angas. Tapos parang, ewan ko na yung mga reply ko nun eh. Parang, sige, ikaw naman. Mas maangas ka ata or something.
Parang gano'n. Tapos yun na, tuloy-tuloy na yung...
Tuloy-tuloy na,
episode
guys.
And then, after a few weeks, I was the one who asked him out.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, let's meet, ganyan.
Do you wanna go to do you wanna meet for for a coffee? Ganyan pa siya nung una. Tapos parang sabi ko, Ay ako guys, medyo prank ako. Are you taking me out on a date? Seems like it.
Yeah.
Sabi niya. So, we went out on a date. And hindi naman coffee yun. Our first date is in Rockwell. In Mamu. So, that's our first date. We don't even have pictures of first date because it was a good first date.
Yeah.
It was a good first date.
We're not
guys.
in our phones that day. So,
Yeah, we didn't use our phone.
yun.
So, ayun. After nun, every
And the
weekend,
rest was history.
rest was history. Every week na kami magkasama. Parang in a week, 2 times, 3 times in a week kami magkasama. So that's our story on how we first met.
Sino unang umamin na sino
Unang
na Ako.
Yeah.
I was the one who
Siya unang umamin
Nagsabi.
na gusto niya na ako.
I like you.
And then he's also the first one who said I love you.
Yeah.
Kasi nung una, we were about to say it, and then sabi ko, isn't it too early pa?
Yeah.
And then akala ko kinabahan ka ata nun or something. And then after a few weeks, parang sabi namin, ikaw na lang sabi mo, I love you. Tapos,
I love you.
ito, sabi niya din, I love you too. I love you, bro.
Wala nang bro yun.
Wala nang bro yun. Ano na yun? I love you, love. Hindi ko na mabasa yung comments. Basahin nga natin. Iba dito. How long have you been single before? Ikaw 5 years ata before
Yeah.
single. Eh.
My last relationship talaga. Like,
Tagal na.
tagal high school. Yeah, before I enter college. So that was
Sa akin
my
naman, I think my
6
last...
years. 6 years?
6 years? Grabe.
5 years, I think.
Last relationship ko, like 3 years. Are you half Korean daw?
Anyo.
Anyo.
No.
I remember when we were in Burgos, tapos sabi ko, can we drink soju para magmukha kang Koreano yung kasama ko? Ayun.
Should we go to Burgos?
What time is it?
11. Probably mga...
Why Ian? That's his first name. A lot of people don't know pala.
Yeah.
Go, tell them lang. Your full name.
My name is Ian Rocky. But
Yeah,
people knew me as Sir Rocky or Rocky because yung mga tumatawag na sa akin ng Ian are my close friends, my family.
Yeah.
And Juju, siya lang nakakatawag sa akin ng Ian. My students call me Rocky. Also my friends from college, they call me Rocky.
How was the conversation? Asan na yun? Like knowing na both of you are not straight, or was that even talked about? Actually, medyo like ewan ko ang tawag sa term na yun.
Pero pinapakiramdaman pa.
Kasi syempre ako din, I wasn't out that time. So I was careful. Actually, both naman kaming careful din eh. Kasi syempre, public figures both, ganyan. So we're not out, publicly out. And then nung una, I was thinking na baka straight siya and he's just a kind person talaga. So I wasn't really, when we were talking nung first, I wasn't really thinking na flirty yung conversation. It was more of like, he's a very nice person. Pero ako kasi crush ko na talaga siya. And then, parang may mga, like, patagal ng patagal, may mga paunting flirt na dating. So ako naman, I was very like upfront also na, okay, sure, gano'n.
I was just also testing the water that time. Parang sinisingitan ko ng mga konting landi. Tapos sinitest ko kung is he straight or
Yeah.
But ako kasi it's my first time to like be in a relationship with a guy. So I
Yeah.
don't know how it really works. And
Yeah.
yeah. It's hard
First,
for me.
first guy niya ako na, first guy, yeah, basically. First guy relationship.
Yes. Bakit Juju and Pebs? What's behind the call sign?
Okay, so
Juju is
Juju-
short for Justin.
JU, Justin. Tapos Pebs naman, because he's my baby rock. Baby Rocky. So, di ba, what do you guys call yung mga maliliit na rocks? It's
Pebbles.
So, Pebbles tawag ko sa kanya. And then, pinapaikli ko lang, Pebs, para mas mabilis.
Yeah.
Hi, Pebs. Ganun. Celine, hello. How many, ano daw, cutie. Di ko na mabasa yung iba.
Bilis ka eh.
Are you guys live-in? Kind of, basically.
Kind of.
Yeah.
May maganda akong question mo, pabasa ko.
Pang, ano daw?
First and last boyfriend.
So, when ang YouTube vlog? Guys, busy to. Busy siya.
Busy rin naman siya.
I mean, ako kaya ko naman, pero busy talaga to with schedule. Ang hirap na, I mean, pag umuwi siya ng Manila, minsan saglitan lang or like minsan layover lang talaga, ilang oras lang, aalis ulit siya. And I think that's, ano din naman, given his work.
This is a nice question. Legal ba kayo both sides?
Yes. We're both legal, both sides.
My family loves Juju.
My family loves Pebs. My mom, my dad, my sister loves Pebs. We're both legal sa both families naman.
Yes.
Good luck sa mag-e-exam. First away, feeling ko ako yung nangaaway.
Pero wala pa kaming away
Wala
na
pa kaming,
away talaga.
hindi naman guys, alam nyo kasi, meron na kami mga, Sir Rocky, was it crush us first sight? Oh, ikaw, question sa'yo yan eh.
Yes.
Ako din, it was crush at first sight.
I mean, it's cute.
Going back to our first date, I was like, okay, naalala mo nung, when he told me na, nandito na ako sa Mamu. And then I was about to go out kasi sa Rockwell nga kami. I was about to go out and go to Mamu. And then, when he said na, asan ka ba? Puntahan na lang kita. Sabi, papalabas na ako nun palabas na as in, para puntahan siya. Pero nung sabi niya, sige, puntahan na lang kita. Umexit ako, bumalik ako ng mall, guys. Tapos, nung pagbalik ko ng mall, tumatakbo na pala siya
Tumatakbo
papunta
na
sa
ako.
akin. Tapos bigla niya akong inakbayan. Sabi niya, uy, that's our first interaction ever. And then nagulat ako, tayo na, tangkad. Ano height mo?
5'10".
5'10".
He's 5'9". So,
I'm 5'6", guys. Impressions during your first meet. Okay, what's your impression of me?
first impression, honestly, kind of intimidating
Really?
for me. Intimidating for me.
Why?
Ano lang, ang pogi kasi.
Is it because I'm a yap? I talk a lot. I mean,
It's not that. Parang na-starstruck lang ako sa'yo. So,
Really?
kung napansin mo nung first date, I'm not really talking that much.
yeah, guys. So here's the thing.
Nakatitig
Akala ko
nakatitig
talaga,
ako sa kanya.
akala ko like, hindi siya nag-e-enjoy sa date namin. Because he's not talking.
Takangiti kaya ako nung
Oy, hi,
throughout.
mentor!
Takangiti ako nun all through.
Oo nga.
Nakatingin lang
Tapos
ako sa'yo.
akala ko, like, baka hindi siya nag-e-enjoy sa conversation.
Parang nakaganon lang ako sa kanya. Habang nagkasalita siya.
So, ang ginawa ko noon, I just, sabi ko, okay, keep your cool, like at the back of my mind, I was saying, keep your cool. You can do it, keep your cool. So I was like, I was yapping.
Yeah. He's yapping that time. And I was just
Favorite
listening.
restaurant or travel memory? Our travel memory together, definitely LU. Because that's the day we came out to the world. Not just for ourselves, but also for our relationships. Favorite restaurant, love?
Favorite restaurant? Mamu.
Mamu. That's our first date.
First date eh.
Who's older? We're both 24. Mababa siya, mababa, iba lang.
24.
Yeah, we're both 24.
Who's older were...
Ayan. Oh, sagutin
Mas
mo yan.
older lang ako.
Ask ko lang po, Sir Rocky, if how is med school po, like, paano survival, how yung balance from all. Guys,
Actually,
magaling to mag-balance eh.
Time management.
Meron pa
Hindi ko
ata
makita.
full. May full ba yan? From all of it. Med school.
I've been doing this for 2 years na rin eh. So, na-master ko na rin yung time management somehow. But of course, it's
Hi,
easy
rich
to say
boys!
than done, right? Parang ang dali sabihin na time management ganun. But it takes a lot of discipline din. So, yeah.
Guys, alam nyo, one thing that really made me super, like, fall in love kay Rocky was his determination. Kasi, like, ako kasi, like, I super get attracted to hardworking people as someone who also works very hard. Like, may mga times na he don't sleep. Tapos, alam mo yun, like, ako, like, iniisip ko pa lang, uy, like, grabe nakakapagod schedule niya. Like, today, uuwi siya mga anong oras, mga magto-12 midnight na. Tapos may flight siya agad mamayang mga 3 a.m. ganon. So parang, alam mo yun, iniisip ko pa lang yung pagod niya, but he's so determined to like really provide knowledge to his students. Wow. So I was like, damn, that's a man. That's a man right there. So, feeling ko isa yun sa mga, do you have your ideal pets to take care together like dogs or cats? We're both dogs. We love dogs.
We love
we love pets. Pero preferably, if we're gonna have one, preferably dogs.
Dogs talaga. Maybe soon. Kaso kasi we're busy pa talaga eh. So, kasi
Busy pa, guys. Like, inisip din namin. Of course, we don't want to adopt dogs na hindi naman namin both maaalagaan ng maayos. He's in med school, he's working. Basically, I do a lot of stuff. I'm shooting, I'm working with different brands, I'm going on work trips. So, we don't want na maiwan yung mga aso.
it's a responsibility. kasi.
Responsibility talaga siya. And we would really consider it as our first child if ever. Secret of a thriving relationship. Communication. And I believe, lagi namin sinasabi to sa isa't isa, we both have individual lives before we met each other. So ngayon na nasa relationship kami, we don't see each other as our world. Parang part lang kami ng isa't isa ng mga world namin. But we are not together's world. Alam mo yun? Parang hindi
That's
ikaw yung mundo ko, hindi din ako yung mundo mo. We still have our own thing going on. But the good thing is that we're both supportive to each other. Love languages. Parang lahat ata.
And also kasi, I think, kaya nag-work yung relationship namin. Kasi, he's very understanding. Just imagine me, I'm always busy at work, and med school and everything. But, Justin always understands my schedule, but I'm really grateful to have a partner who's very understanding kasi ang hirap kaya di ba? Not all persons can...
Actually, no, I would not, I want to be, naman. The mga first few months, it was hard talaga. It was hard. Nobody knows about our relationship. So, alam mo yun, nung una parang there's a lot of overthinking. If I'm being honest, parang there's a lot of overthinking din, ganyan. But that, he just kept on proving himself kasi na siya yung tipo ng taong he would always assure you to the max talaga. Like, grabe mang assure si Ian, magbigay ng assurance. And you really just have to give him the benefit of the doubt din sa nung mga first few months talaga na he's really doing his best. So, ayun, doon na nag-start na parang, you know what, Justin? You really have to take his word also. Any message po for others who are still afraid to the idea of coming out? You know what, guys? It's really not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Even us ngayon, may mga times pa rin na, it's still scary at some point. Ganyan. It's not easy. So, ang masasabi ko lang, take your time.
Same.
Take your time. Trust yourself when you're ready, and don't pressure yourself when you're not.
And
So, yun lang.
It's really hard kasi you have a lot of things to consider. Like, the people around you, especially your family. For us, yung work, yung careers namin. So there's a lot of things to consider. So wag niyong madaliin. Pag-isipan niyo ng mabuti. So kami ni Justin, hindi rin namin, we took our time, basically. But honestly, we didn't really plan to like, at the peak of our, I would say, maayos yung career namin ngayon.
Yeah.
So hindi namin totally planned out na
Yeah.
mag-come out during this time. But
Alam niyo ba guys, yung story nung post niya about me, hindi ko din, actually it's also a surprise for me. But then, leading toward that day kasi, he kept on asking me, ready ka na ba? Sabi ko, ready for what? Kasi we've been talking about it what if naging public na yung relationship natin, kasi may mga nakakakita na din sa amin. Although, thank you to everyone nga pala. I just wanna say thank you to everyone na nakakakita sa amin nung mga nagde-date pa kami. Nakakakita sa amin together in different places and then not like really spooking sa social media. May mga nagpapapicture ganyan na like magkasama kami ganyan before pa kami mag-out sa social media, and super thankful kami na hindi nila kami pinangunahan sa pagsabi. So yun na, going back, asan na yung kwento natin kanina ba?
yung came out na tayo.
Yung came out, like hindi yun planned at all.
Hindi siya planned.
At tapos nung birthday ko, he kept on saying na bukas ka na mag-repost, because like I had a lot of people greeting me na bukas ka na mag-repost. Lagi niya sinasabi, bukas ka na mag-repost. Tapos sabi ko, sige na nga, bukas na nga. Kasi alam kong i-greet niya pa ako. So syempre, uunahin ko yung greeting niya. Kaso guys, hindi ko naman in-expect na yung greeting niya pala, ipapagpangalandakan niya na sa mundo na ako yung boyfriend niya. So akala ko na baka sasabihin niya lang happy birthday, tas Justin Bangsil. Akala ko ganun lang. And hindi ko pa, actually nung nakita ko yun sa IG, sabi ko, nung una inisip ko pa parang hindi siya super like out there na greeting. So parang sabi ko baka wala lang to sa mga tao
Hindi
ganyan.
pa siya hard lunch para sa kanya.
Oo, hindi pa siya hard launch para sa akin. Pero pag check ko ng TikTok ko guys, grabe. Yung mga comments, eto na ba yung proud and loud something mga comments. Tapos doon na, oh my God, so yun na nga, nagets na nga ng tao na ano pala. So kailan kayo magpo-post sa YouTube? Waiting kami, Boss Justin. Malapit na guys, pag hindi siya busy. Probably chill vlog lang ng a day in our life probably, or mga ginagawa namin routine. We're just gonna bring you guys along with us.
Okay na
Yung yeah, pwede din. Pwede din. Because we're gonna do like exciting. How was it coming out to your family muna? Was it nerve-wracking as I'm imagining? Okay, sa part ko, I came out to my mom first. I came out to my mom 4 years ago. So that was 2021. I came out to my mom 4 years ago. It was, honestly, parang feeling ko, si mama, she's very understanding. So it was not hard naman. I have a very accepting family, which I understand hindi lahat meron. So it's really hard. Pero sa akin kasi I have a very accepting family. So I came out to my mom 4 years ago. And then I just came out to my dad months ago lang. So it was hard. Pero okay naman. Like, my dad said when I said na, Pa, I'm not ganito. Sabi niya, whatever you do, you've done a lot na for the family. I want you to be happy. Ayun yung pinakatumatak sa akin na sinabi ni Papa. Nagawa mo naman na lahat para sa pamilya. So, this time, I want na yung happiness mo naman yung unahin mo. So, I cried talaga.
Tsaka walang masasabi yung family niya kasi he's very responsible. Sa akin naman, on my part, can I tell myself?
Yeah, go, love.
So on my part naman, same kami. I came out first to my mom.
Yeah.
And my mom has always been very supportive of me. And yun din sinabi niya, like, supportive siya to me. And she still loves me.
Yeah.
And yeah, very accepting yung mom ko. So I honestly had a hard time telling it to my dad.
Yeah, super.
Kasi,
Even with me. Diba?
Yeah, my dad kasi is
I mean, I feel like
Retired.
fathers, retired.
policeman siya. So, medyo
It's hard.
may, mindset about that. But I'm
Guys,
so happy that my dad, when I came out to him, very accepting yung dad ko about that. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. So, wala na kami naging problema with our families. Especially when we came out together and also, kung pinakilala ko siya, my family is very accepting as well and very supportive.
yeah. And guys, when I tell you, his family, super bait talaga. And lahat sila guys na magkakapatid. All guys sila lahat. Tatlo silang guys. Si Kuya at saka si Bunso. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Naiyak nga ako nung super love. Oh, thank you. Di ba may
Paano yun pag may ganun?
parang yung You both deserve each other. Oh, thank you.